Over the course of CSS, we've grown a lot in terms of how we think about building for Web3.
In terms of learnings of our market, in terms of our network of friends that we've cultivated all through CSS.
I think just like learning from highly intelligent and just like highly experienced founders has been really valuable for me.
We came in with some core ideas around things like market definition and pricing and customers. And I think just through the rigor of the program, we crystallize a lot of those ideas.
Every founder in the program has their own unique background and has a breadth of unique experiences that we don't have. It's great to have this community.
Everyone has a really, really big vision for how they see the space changing, and they're all taking bets on what part they're going to play in achieving that vision.
I wish I could be a student of CSS for the rest of my life.